Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video. And on today's video, we're back at one of my favorite places to look at any kind of car you want to see. And that's, we back at the Office Sports Bar and Grill. Yep. So yeah, actually look, my car is actually right in front of the sign. You see the sign?
I got a 64 Chevy too.
And you see old girl right there. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff out here today. There's more stuff than it was the last time. Look at this truck. Yeah. Look at this. Old Lightning. I mean, how many times have you seen an old 442? This got to be a 64, I do believe. This car is for sale, guys. $28,000. Yeah, it's for sale. Oh no, they trying to sell the 63. Look at that 63 Cadillac, guys. It's for sale. $28,000. Call Bob at that number. Look at the inside of this thing. This is nice. Yeah, there's a lot of cars out here, man. I'm telling you. A lot of cars out here. Got a Corvette. Man, we just gonna walk. Look at this. A lot of cars. Look at this. Look at this Sport Fury, man. This is nasty right here. I ain't seen one. I don't know what year this is, but it is bad ass. So Chevy. I'm just gonna walk down the line, guys. It's ridiculous out here today. You know, it rained the whole week, so everybody wanted to get out. Grand Prix SJ with a 455. Got an old Corvette with a big old blower on it sticking out the hood. Yeah. Trans Am. 69 SS. Sport Fury convertible. There's so much stuff out there. SS Nova. Got a bag Mustang. Look at this 98, guys. Chevy Super Sport. Another Grand Prix with a 400 in it. Got a nice Trans Am over here. Another one. Look at the look at this whole turbo on this thing. He's working on it right now, but it's okay. Yes, sir. Got an SS Nova. I'm just gonna walk, guys, and let y'all see. It is crazy out here. How many of you guys have seen a Plymouth Valari? Yeah, this is a Valari, guys. I don't know, y'all young kids don't know what this is. It's a Plymouth Valari. See the Plymouth on the front? Yeah. So, yeah, we got a nice Chevy two-door wagon over here. It's not a Nomad, guys, because it's a little different, but it's clean. It's clean. Look at that. Thing is gorgeous. Monte Carlo. Oriata Buick 58. Look at this 58 Chevy straight axle. Look at this. This is crazy. It's a Del Rey. Yep. And it's a stick shift too. Yep. Another Vet. Another SS 454. 4-speed car. They got a Grand Prix pulling up. That Grand Prix clean too. Look at this guy. That's my boy right here, Mike. And this thing right here so clean.
Yeah, he'll go and break the whole plastic cover and this was something Oh, appreciate it, man. Thank you.
You were down in Peatone last week, were you?
Yeah, looking for parts.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Boy, got that.
Which one?
They know each other.
Parking lot.
My boy brought the truck out, man. Look at this truck, guys. Airbags, 454, naturally aspirated, no door handles. Yeah, buddy. This thing clean, clean, clean. What up, Mike?
How you doing, brother?
Chilling, bro. Just getting some footage, man. Woo, this thing clean. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff out here. We got a Avante over here, guys. You don't see these too often. This thing is clean. Look at this Avante. Look at the inside of it. Oh yeah, got the real wood in it. Sunroof. That's nasty.
It's almost new. It has less than 11,000 miles on it. It's
How many miles?
11,000. It's 44 years old.
Oh my God. Woo, this thing clean. Yeah, they don't even make these no more.
No.
And young kids don't know nothing about this kind of car.
Right. Typically, people under 40 have no idea.
Oh, I know what it is. I'm a car guy. Look at this right here. This Tempest. Yeah, it's nice. Uh-oh. Got a Maverick over here. How many of you guys know what this is? He got dual quads on it too. Small block. That's nice. You don't see these too often. Most of you knuckleheads don't even know what a Maverick is. See? Ford Maverick. Y'all don't know what this is, man. Charlie. There's so many cars out here. Camaro, another Camaro, 57 Chevy, Cobra. Ooh, now this is stupid clean. Wow. Dishwasher. Ouch. Ooh, this thing clean, guys. Oh, he got a 409 in it. Oh, we got the iconic 409. Oh, and it's a 4-speed too. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, man. This is, man, guys, look at this thing right here. This is so beautiful and straight as an arrow. I ain't seen a car with a 409 in it in years. Y'all see this? Y'all see this SS 64? Sheesh, vintage air. Y'all see the vintage air in it right there. This is crazy. 63 SS, guys. Y'all see it? 409. This the owner right here. Tell me a little bit about it real quick.
Not a whole lot ahead of the year. Runs great. No problems.
How long you had it?
A year.
A year?
I had one just like it before. Some guy went through a red light and totally.
Oh! Is he still alive?
I don't know.
Oh, I know you wanted to kill
him.
I know you wanted to kill him though.
Yes, I did.
I know you did. Man, this is beautiful. I ain't seen one of these this straight with a 4-speed. Most of them got automatics.
Yep.
Guys, for you guys that watch my channel that know anything about Chevys,
Put the bigger radiator around.
409 was one of the most iconic engines that Chevy. They didn't put them in that many cars either. Man, that thing is, whew, that thing straight as an arrow, man. Nice money. There's so many cars out here. Got a Road Runner, a Mustang, an old school, new school Thunderbird. Another 442, guys. We got two of them. This one got the 3 deuces on it. Look at this. That's nasty right here. Oh, and it's a 4-speed too. Yep. Man, guys, it's a lot of cars out here. Look at this. And cars still pulling up. Let me get this Firebird. Yeah, it's a lot of cars out
He didn't
here.
want to get trapped yet. He called.
Yeah, we know. No, I know, Mark.
This is my boy Vet. Woo, that thing loud. Whew. That's loud. Man, look at the size of the tires on that thing. Get Mickey Thompson.
I'm not scared of you anymore.
And he got a roll bar in this thing too. Woo, got a blower on it too. Okay. Second car today out here with a blower.
Sounds good.
Look at this SS right here. Like I say, guys, these are a bunch of cars out here today. And I just touched on some of them. I gotta finish walking. I'm gonna walk on the other side. Le Mans, wood grain steering wheel.
Cars got delayed.
That's nice too.
I'm so pissed.
Thank you, thank you.
I just ran to some of my guys over there. They're from parking drive back in the day. Oh, yeah.
Old Cuda, Plymouth Barracuda, 70 Dodge Dart. Hey guys, for you guys that don't know, I had a 71 Dodge Dart. Another Dart. Got the old, hey, this the grandfather to the Demon. Y'all see that Demon right there? Yes, sir. Another Cobra with a LS motor in it. Another Chevelle SS. There's so many damn cars. El Camino. Another big block SS car. Another truck. Man, it's crazy out here. Now this is a 6-figure car right here. This GS. It's a buddy of mine's car. It's a GS 455, and he also has a convertible just like it. Yep. I don't know where he is, but it's a beautiful car.
Yeah, it comes over here to a point.
Look at that. Y'all see that
Lights.
that stage one on there? Look at the inside. Look at all them gauges down there. I don't know where he is. He around there some damn well. Beautiful car though, man. It is so many cars out here. Look at this SS. 396. I wonder is it a 4-speed car? Yes, sir. It's a 4-speed car. Got a Fred gear motor on it. See? Oh wow. Got another SS with a big block. Let me see if this is a 4-speed too. Yep, that's a 4-speed too. Yeah, guys, it's a lot. Look at this. Look at this bubble top. 61 bubble top. Look.
Oh, yeah.
At the side, you can open those up. Look at this. 61 bubble top. My bad. Look at this thing. 4-speed too. Ooh-wee. 3 deuces. Old Z28 convertible. LS. Z06. Nice. Let me walk through here. Some more cars over here. One just pulled in. El Camino. That's nice too. Got the old school white walls on it. So there's a lot of cars out here. Ooh. Another one with a blower. It's 3 blower cars out here. Got a Mustang. Got a Vega with a... Oh, this ain't a Vega. This is the Astra Pontiac with a big block in it. Let me see, is it a 4-speed? Yep, it's a 4-speed. It's probably a 3-speed. Then you got a 67 Malibu. It's nice too. Oh, look at the old school interior. It's automatic though. Yep, it's real nice too. So I gotta see this car over here. This car right here is so nice. Low rider, look at that engine. Look at the paint inside the engine compartment. Got the 30 wires on it. Wood grain handle on the shift knob. Wow, this is nice. I gotta get the mirror though. Y'all see the mirror? That is bad. I like that. Y'all can see the paint on this car though. The paint is impeccable. He got a mural on the hood and he got a mural on the trunk. Let me get the mural. Let me get this mural for you guys. Y'all see it? Yeah, that's nasty. He got a mural on the trunk and the doggone hood. Low rider. Caprice Classic. Y'all see that club? Yes sir. Thing nice. Alright guys, that's gonna end this edition of Catfish Corner. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yep. And I'm finna do something else. But yep, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Catfish Corner. A lot of cars out here, man. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.